What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And guys, today we is gonna be doing a cooking video because we haven't done a cooking video in so long. And guys, we got the dog here. Yo, say hi to the video, bro. Yeah, say hi to the video.
What's up, guys? It's your favorite dog. Like and subscribe.
Wise words. Like and subscribe.
If you don't, I will come to your house at night.
Oh, so if you don't want him coming into your house, then make sure you subscribe. Bro, that boy literally said he gonna come into your house. Dang, bro. Wait, hold on. I think I might know something that makes cooking videos the same. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, yo, this is so OG, bro. Hey, only the OGs will understand, bro. Only the OG Deabrew fans will understand. But guys, yeah, let's get into today's video, guys. And guys, today we gonna be making some egg rice today, cause it's morning, right? So this recipe is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So you can make this anytime you want. So guys, it's a very easy recipe. All you're gonna need is 4 eggs right here. 4 eggs. And next you're gonna need some white rice, just plain white rice. And you're gonna need some curry leaves. If y'all don't have curry leaves, but if you guys don't have curry leaves, then y'all can go get it at like an Indian store near you, because that's where we normally get our stuff to make curries, especially curries, because curries are very popular in Sri Lanka and India. But yeah. So guys, without being said, let's go ahead and cook. So guys, for this part, make sure y'all ask a grown-up for help. But since I'm a professional cook, so I can do it. Yeah, and yes, I am a professional, if y'all don't believe that. Yes, I am a professional. Alright, so first, before you do anything, first you're gonna have to light up. No, first you're gonna have to, put the stove on. And guys, be sure you guys have adult supervision. I'm a very advanced professional cook, so I can do it. And then all you gotta do is just put the olive oil in the pan, just like that, and just smear it around like that. And alrighty. And guys, while we're waiting for the oil to warm up, why don't we just, talk about our day? Like, let's thank God. Hey, let's take the time out of our day to thank God, because God gave us another day to live. That's a sign right there that we gotta put that's your sign to put the curry leaves in once the olive oil starts bubbling like that. Or just wait for or if it just doesn't start bubbling, just put the curry leaves in either 1 or 2 minutes. 2 eggs right there. 3 eggs. The 4th egg. Last but not least. Alrighty. And now we just mash it up. I think we might have put too much oil, but that is okay, because the oil can absorb into the rice. Once we put the rice in, it'll absorb into the rice. So you gotta scramble the eggs. You gotta scramble it up. It looks like this. Scramble the eggs. Yes. So you gotta scramble the eggs up to put the rice. So let's go ahead and do that. And now let's just mix it up with the rice. So now the scrambled eggs that we did, now let's mix it up with the rice. Yeah, now we see that egg rice coming in. Just mix it up real good until the eggs mix up with the rice. Guys, this is literally one of the best rice recipes you could ever eat, bro. And egg rice is similar to like Korean type of food, like, cause Koreans always be having eggs in their rice. So if y'all haven't tried egg rice before, y'all, I don't know what y'all are doing, bro. Alrighty. And guys, next, of course, we have to put salt because you know what I'm saying, like. And now we just gotta mix the salt in with the rice. And alrighty. And now guys, it is done just like that. And now we just wait for the rice to cool down a little bit, and then we can eat it. So guys, this is what it's supposed to look like after you mix the rice with the eggs. This is what it's supposed to look like. Tell me that doesn't look good, bro. Bro, once you taste it, it'll taste so good, bro. Good, bro. Bro. Hold on. Now that is some good stuff right there. That is some good eggs and rice. Alright guys, well without being said, it's breakfast time. Breakfast is ready. Alright guys, so the food is finally done. The food is finally done. And guys, now we're gonna taste it. Well guys, it's finally time to try Deabrew's special egg rice, guys. That looks so good right there. So it's finally time to try it. Oh my god, bro, that is hot, bro. Oh my god. Okay, now that is really, really good. Bro, I'm gonna have another bite. Like, that's just really good. Chef Deabrew makes the best stuff, bro. Chef Deabrew makes the best stuff. Hey, just to tell y'all, I would probably make a lot of good money if I was a chef at a restaurant, so I would make a whole lot of good money, guys. Well guys, that is gonna be it for today's video. We finally came back to the cooking videos because it's been a really long time since we did our last cooking video. So it's been a while since we did our last cooking video. So make sure y'all hit the subscribe button if you guys want to see more cooking videos, because we're going to be posting cooking videos starting again. So yeah, we're coming back to the cooking videos, guys, because I know we haven't done a cooking video in like forever. Because the last cooking video we did was like, what was it? The egg curry video. That was the last cooking video we did, was like last June. Like, that was like last summer. Last summer was the last time we did a cooking video. Hey bro, hey, we gotta start doing more cooking videos like this. Hey, and shout out to all the Sri Lankan people, bro. Shout out to all the Sri Lankan people watching this video right now. So shout out to my my cousin sisters. Shout out to my cousin brothers. Shout out to all you guys. So yeah guys, well guys, without being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.